Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A94 and I'll show you how to turn off this device. So to do that, we should press the power key button on the right side for a few seconds. Now if you had the same question like in my case, to turn on, press and hold power button featured to a Google Assistant, click here off, and after that one more time hold for a while the power key, and after that slide this white dot to power off. Wait a second, and now the screen is dark, and this means that our device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.